Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and collecting evidence. Back up important files now so you can roll back if needed. Once done, update Windows and HP drivers to close known slowdowns, because outdated drivers often cause resource spikes. Next, open Task Manager and observe CPU, memory, and disk over 1 to 2 minutes to spot the culprit process. Make sure to jot names and percentages. This directs the rest of your cleanup rather than guessing. Now you remove software and settings that steal performance. Begin by uninstalling unused or pre-installed bloatware. Target 1 to 2 large programs first so you can test impact. Then disable non-essential startup apps and background scheduled tasks, because fewer auto-launch processes means faster boot and more free RAM. After that, run disk cleanup, clear temp files, and either defragment the hard drive or ensure SSD trim is enabled. These finish by verifying hardware and firmware so improvements stick. If performance still lags, update BIOS and firmware only when notes match your symptoms and follow HP's exact steps. Incorrect updates can harm your laptop. Then test RAM with memtest and check drive smart data. Faulty modules or failing storage justify replacements. Make sure to switch to a high-performance power plan for peak responsiveness. And if all else fails, consider a clean OS reinstall. This often removes deep software corruption and restores speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.